this video, we'll go over the Vasion Automate signature tool. When you sign into your admin portal, select Signature on the side rail. Clicking New Document, you have two options. Send for signature is commonly used when you only want to send a document for signature one time, whereas a template allows you to use the document more than once when sending it for signature. Below that, you have Inbox, where you can see all of the documents pending your signature, those that you've completed, and those that you've sent out. You can recall documents if necessary and view those here. And lastly, you have your templates. Let's create a new template. First, you have to upload a document, or you can drag and drop a TIFF or PDF file. Once you have your form uploaded, on the left-hand side, you've got signature, initials, date, time, text, and a checkbox field that you can drag and drop to your PDF. On the right-hand side, you can define roles for each of the fields that need to be filled in. At the top, we have a text box that requires the account holder or holder's name. You can see I've got a text for the field type, and then I've assigned it to the account holder role. In addition, I'm going to put the account number text field, assign that to the account holder, as well as their routing number. And lastly, at the bottom, a signature is required for the account holder. Once you have all of your fields mapped and a role assigned to them, you can click Continue to adjust settings for your template. At the top, you have document name, the object that you want to associate the template fields with. Associate the storage folders for completed, approved, and rejected destinations, as well as give a message for any signers. You can create a link expiration. Next, you have your signing options where you can fill in sender name, the email address, and then assign a signing order or use parallel routing. A signing order would require that a specific individual signs the document before another, whereas parallel routing allows every signer to sign the document at the same time. Selecting signer field allows you to use a field for the email address that the document will be sent to. Otherwise, selecting external user, you can fill in the user's name as well as their email address, and then you're done. Now you can save your template. This template can now be used in a workflow, or if you need to use it and send it to a particular email address, you can select the three dots on the right, click Use Template, and edit the signing options at the bottom. Now let me show you what it looks like for the client to fill in the wire transfer form. Notice in the inbox we have from Vasion Financial a document requesting signature, which is the wire transfer form. They click Review Document. It opens up a new browser tab where they allow sharing location so that we have an IP address to track the signature. And then they fill out the form with information required, like the account number, and then their signature at the bottom. Click Sign, and then Complete. They agree to the Vasion Consumer Disclosure Document, and then they're done. And that is how a signature template is used.